Hi, my name's Phil. I'm a director at Think Inventory Solutions. We are a UK-based developer and provider of warehouse management systems, or WMS for short. During many years implementing WMSs, we've done this across small family businesses right the way up to large multinational businesses. And one of the questions we always get asked, or we get asked a great deal, is what are some of the common challenges in implementing the WMS? So what do we see across all of these different types of business? I mean, some of those challenges are common with any significant project that a business undertakes. I mean, this can range from project creep. So this is where the scope of the project changes, increases normally, and this can happen during the project, which can be very challenging. There's the common issue of resource levels and availability. Obviously, customers have their usual normal business to undertake, and many of them underestimate the level and breadth of resource required to continue to run their business and also manage the project implementation. And also we tend to come across a resistance to change. Some people are very happy in what they're doing and they really don't embrace change. But all of these challenges are common. Any good experienced project manager will be very familiar with those and how to handle them and how to deal with them and pull the team together. Specific challenges to implementing the WMS, these can be technical focused, such as data migration from legacy systems in particular, designing and testing integrations, and also designing an effective test plan that's based around modes of failure and potential impact of those modes. Other challenges can be operational focused. We've found that some of our competitors will design processes in an office environment without taking into account the physical environment that people have to work in. And that can lead to some significant flaws in the design, and sometimes those flaws are not found until very late in the project. Robust design is obviously important. There are many variables that can go into challenging a robust design, and I think we do employ some tried and tested methods of ensuring that our designs are robust. These range from process mapping to PFMEAs, or process failure modes and effects analysis, flowcharts, input-output diagrams, so on, many more obviously. And then there's the final one I think I'll just mention is the usual balance of efficiencies and effectiveness, and I think we're all familiar with that challenge to make sure a process remains effective but also efficient at the same time. All our project managers and consultants at Think have got a huge range of operational experience. We've including myself, we've all worked in the shop floor at various levels in business and for small companies and large companies. I hope that's explained my view anyhow of some of the challenges we face. Thank you.